Okay, tambala na! At eto na sila, ang nag-iisang masugid na tagahanga ni Nicole Yala. Chris Chuper! Kasama ang nag-iisang die-hard fan ni Chris Chuper, Nicole Yala! Mula sa Mahiwagang Burnay, ang kwento.
I'm just 13 years old when I met him. Si Cholo. We were classmates back then. He became my best friend and he's my partner in crime. Meron siyang ka-MU ng grade 8 na kami. Nung grade 8 na kami, but he never forgot me. Tumagal lang sila ng almost a year when he found out that the girl is cheating. He was hurt and I was hurt too. He's actually an ideal boyfriend. He's a gentleman, possessive, good-looking, may pangarap sa buhay, at may takot sa Diyos. Bago kami mag-college, he confessed to me and tinanong niya ako kung pwede daw ba na manligaw. I was in the airport that time kasi aalis ako. I'll be in the States for 1 year. Asha, gusto kita matagal na, sabi niya. I was shocked when he said that. Bago pa ako nakapagsalita ay nagsalita na siya. If you will allow me to court you, I will start courting you right now. May otoridad niyang sabi. I allowed him to court me. Nung nasa eroplano na ako pabalik ng Pilipinas, bala ko na siyang sagutin. Sinundo niya ako sa airport. Noong nasa airport na ako, I was already nervous. But when I saw him waiting for me, it made my heart flutter. Nang tuluyan na akong makalapit sa kanya, niyakap ko siya ng mahigpit and whispered, I miss you. Then he replied, I missed you too. Ngumiti ako bago nagsalita ulit ng, I love you too. Pagkasabi ko noon, naramdaman kong nanigas siya sa kinatatayuan niya. Bumitaw ako sa pagkakayakap sa kanya para makita ang mukha niya. Bakas dito ang pagkagulat. What's that? Tinanong niya ako. Nakangiti ko siyang sinagot ng, tayo na, ayaw mo ba? Sumagot siya ng, really? Tumango na lang ako at doon na nagsimula ang relasyon namin. Almost 5 years na ang nakalipas. Matatag pa rin ang relasyon namin. Nakatira kami sa iisang condo and we're both med students. Sa UST kami nag-aaral. One morning, I woke up with a bad feeling. I think I was sick pero tuwing gigising ako, lagi ako nahihilo o di kaya ay nasusuka. Lagi naman siyang wala dahil maaga yung pasok niya. Then suddenly I found out I was pregnant. When I was going to surprise him in his last subject, I saw him kissing another girl. Segundo pa ang nagdaan bago niya ako nakita. My tears started rolling on my cheeks. Hindi nagtagal, dahil na rin yata sa sama ng loob, I lost the baby. Para makalimot ako, sa Paris ko pinagpatuloy ang pag-aaral na medisina. But then I found out na I only lost one of the triplets na dinadala ko. Ngayon, twins na lang sila. Pinagpatuloy ko ang pag-aaral kahit buntis ako. Before I gave birth to them, graduate na ako ng college. After that, ipinanganak ko na ang isang boy at isang girl. I took the boards bago mag first birthday yung kambal ko. Lumabas ang results ng exam. Isa ako sa top 10 who passed the board. Bago ako nag-focus sa trabaho, sa kids muna ako nag-focus. Hanggang sa dumating na ang pinakatatakutan ko. At the age of 3, kinder na sila, they started asking kung nasaan ang daddy nila. I only said, he's working in the Philippines, he's a doctor too. Binigay ko yung kwintas na binigay niya sa akin dati. In the necklace was his initials, and initials din yon ng anak kong lalaki. I removed our promise ring in my finger and gave it to my daughter and said, "It's from your dad, so take care of it." 4 years old na sila nang napagdesisyonan ko nang umuwi sa Pilipinas para asikasuhin yung ospital namin. Nagulat ako one time, pumasok ako sa ospital kasama yung 2 kong anak. Nakasalubong ko yung daddy nila sa elevator. I didn't know what to do. He greeted me na parang walang nangyari, then nakita niya yung mga anak namin. And he said, "I love your necklace and your ring." Sabi niya sa kambal. Napamura ako that time, then my son said, "Mom said that it's from our dad." That day, I talked to him para malaman na niya ang totoo. My son and daughter were shocked when they knew. And after almost a year, nagdesisyon na kaming magpakasal ng daddy nila, not just for our children, pero para na rin sa aming 2. We know that years passed, but our love for each other never fades. Now, we are happy and contented as a family. I'm 7 weeks pregnant now, and we're expecting another set of twins again. Ako po si Natasha, doktora, mommy, wife, and tambalanista, at ito ang aking kwento.